Hi folks, this is Jin and welcome to a new video. The winter is coming and it's getting colder and I still haven't installed the outside sockets for the cars, so I'm going to do it now. So I dug a hole already and we'll now set up the foundation. So it is in level vertically from left and from right as well. This piece needs to be now casted into the foundation and then I will make a pillar from it. So now let's do the same setup on the opposite side. So first socket is done. Let's dry it overnight. Then the base pillars are installed, leveled, the ground. I will let them dry overnight and tomorrow cast into pipes including the sockets.
The day after.
Okay, so what do we have here? It's hard enough, but yet correctable. See? Now let's do some wiring and piping and stuff like that. Right, so this is the socket for the sockets and the cable to connect to the sockets on a rod, and I need to clad it in concrete. So I made the pipe and hold it in place and in level like this, and now I will fix it on the floor so it does not slide away. And if you want to connect anything wet on a wet surface, use a polyurethane foam. Now let's put the concrete in. So yesterday we had rain all the day long, so I wouldn't even dare to touch it. So now it's like 1.5 days later. It's not moving anymore, it's solid. But I will not remove the cast yet because it's still wet. I'll give them maybe more time, either this evening or tomorrow morning. So compared to the uncasted one, it is of course swinging, and that thing was also swinging with the cast if I would not support it. So in the evening I just peeled off the first layer, and it looks okay with some cavities here and there. I'll just kit them later. Now let's remove the rest. Voila. Alright, the tube is full, the bucket is empty, and I hope it will not rain tomorrow so much, so we could probably strip it off tomorrow evening, or we keep it a day longer. You may have noticed when I took off the cast there were cavities, and you see there are no cavities anymore. So I took the remaining mass and just put it on the glove and rubbed around, rubbing inside of the pillar, and so it's now smooth. Only thing is to consider, you see that the head is a little bit tilted, so nothing is perfect. The pillar is perfectly vertical, but it would have a little tilt to the left like this when once installed, but nobody is perfect. So I guess this video is getting a bit too long. The pillars are cast, and I will show you the tried out pillars and installation of the sockets in another video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.